Thinking of writing the CLAT examination? Are you wondering that is NLU really worth the hype? So, in today's video, I am going to be talking about 5 things that really make a difference in your life and career if you are from an NLU. So hi guys, this is Kriti Bhatnagar, your legal reasoning educator from 12 Minutes to CLAT, and today we discuss, is NLU worth the hype? So, getting straight into the video, the first point to consider in NLU is the peer group. So basically, you are not just going to college, you are entering a class of students who have cleared the entrance examination with you. So you are at the same par level with everyone else. Everybody is competitive and it also pushes you to become better and therefore gives you an environment to grow and strive for your career. Because as we say, iron shapes iron. Now, coming to the second reason, placements and internship. Very, very important. So, if you go to an NLU, you will find a placement committee which will help you to get internships as well as placements, which lacks in a lot of law colleges. Now, this placement committee sends your CV to different organizations, to different law firms, to different companies for internship opportunities as well as calling them for placement opportunities. In NLUs, there are day 0, day 1, day 2 and so on and so forth placement days wherein you get placement within the college itself in your 4th and 5th year and you don't have to apply off campus. Third, and something that is missing in the other law schools, the alumni network. Irrespective of the fact that you don't have a good bonding with someone or you don't know them personally, but if you find someone from your college, you can always approach them for internships, for placements, and for helping you for your college projects, moods, and other co-curricular activities as well. Networking is very, very important in law schools, and when you have good network with your alumni that come from NLU and go to tier 1, tier 2 law firms as well as become judges, they help you to clear path and understand what you want to do in your career. Fourth, exposure beyond academics. Now, NLU is not just about you going to classes, giving your exams or making projects. It is much more than that. And NLU helps you in your holistic growth. It offers you with moods, with debating, with client counseling and other co-curricular activities as well. You can participate in sports fest, in cultural fest, and NLU helps you to grow and become better not just at academics but also holistically. Lastly, but not the least, confidence and identity. And NLU definitely helps you to feel confident when somebody asks you, where are you studying? And the moment you say NLS Bangalore or Nalsar Hyderabad or NLIU Bhopal like me, you definitely feel more confident about your future prospects and where you are right now. Also, it helps to give you an identity for life that you completed 5 years of your law school from a great university like an NLU. This helps you to grow professionally as well as personally. So, if you ask me, is NLU worth it? Definitely yes. But if you make the most of it. If you are someone who's preparing for CLAT examination and want a more guided preparation, we have just launched a new course which is Utkarsh. You can come and watch the demo classes for yourself first. The description box has the link to the same, and prepare for the CLAT examination from the comfort of your house. This batch offers you Shakuntala scholarship, which is if you score below AIR 300 in the CLAT 2026 examination, then all your money will be refunded back to you. We really want you to clear the exam and therefore we want to guide you at every step. This is the most affordable batch that you can find and I hope to see you in the classes, guys. You will get classes, concepts, mock test, books, and I hope to see you in the classes. In case you want additional discount, you can use my code KritiB if you like my teaching method. So thank you so much guys, hope this helps, and if you still have any ounce of doubt left, then you can comment in the comment section below and I will get back to you. Thank you so much, take care and hope to see you in the classes.